Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another Myntra haul and this one feels really timely. I have picked up some nice pure cotton kurta sets and these are like actually real soft cotton fabric which you can wear every day. It is not fancy sounding and sweaty kind of a cotton. And with the summer literally knocking the door, I know these are the pieces I'll keep reaching for. And the best part, all these pieces are under rupees 1000. Yes, you heard it right. Under rupees 1000. Isn't it a win? Okay, enough talking. Let's get into look number 1. Okay, so starting today's haul with this gorgeous sage green set. Color itself feels really calming, very easy on the eyes. It is a straight kurta and palazzo situation, very pretty and clean silhouette. But the front detailing where the things gets interesting. Band collar, button detailing at the front, and you look at the detailing, even these buttons have embroidery on it. This pintuck yoke design, very subtle but adds structure to the look. Sleeves are 3/4, but even sleeves has this cuff detailing with the little puff on it, gives it a nice feminine touch. And main highlight here is this embroidery detailing on the sleeves. It is in this off-white color and super delicate. It covers almost the entire sleeves. It makes the whole look feels little more elevated instead of just basic cotton kurta set. Yes, fit wise, it looks little tight on me because it is from brand Vishuddh and I ordered my usual large size. But with Vishuddh, I always get this problem. Sometimes it is too tight or too loose. So if you are like me and if you want comfortable fit, please size up in this. Because these are all very everyday kind of pieces which you can easily wear to office or whether you are staying at home or for running errands, styling is going to be super simple. My gold earrings from Ciodre, my bracelet set from Amazon, that's what I wear in everyday life. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels because I feel with heels, each kurta set looks little better. For the furs, if I am going to office, I'll take my Van Heusen tote bag and you can see the complete look. That's it for look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2, which is little more summery. Floral print, pure cotton, super breathable. Like the kind you actually want to live in when heat starts. Boat neckline, sleeveless design instantly makes it feel little cooler and lighter. With off-white base, with this soft pastel floral print, it feels really easy and calming. But what I really like though is this pink lace detailing. It is there around the neckline, on armhole, side slits, hemline, even on trousers. It is a small detail, but it lifts the whole set. Otherwise, it could have gone basic, too basic. Kurta has nice calf length and trousers are cropped and super comfortable. They are straight, not too flared, not too tight, just easy, comfortable fit. Because these are everyday pieces, any small earrings will look good. So it will go with these gold earrings also. But I have these gorgeous pearl earrings and I think it will look better. So I am changing it into these earrings. I have the same bracelet set in silver also. So I wear that and you can see the complete look. For the bag, again my Van Heusen tote bag. And yes, clear heels with this look. Office, staying in, school runs or quick shopping spree. This is grab and go kind of a set. Very easy, no fuss, super breathable and really timeless. Now let's move on to something really nice and classic, 3-piece kurta set. Okay, so this one has totally different energy. Maybe because it is a proper 3-piece set. And somehow these three-piece sets feels a bit more put together. It has this pinkish maroon base with white print all over. Now about the print, it is that khadi print or foil print, which is not my personal favorite because if you wear it daily, it fades off quickly. But if you are wearing it occasionally, it is absolutely fine. Again, it is a pure cotton fabric and there is this little ari work around the neckline which makes it feel slightly dressier than your usual everyday cotton set. It has very easy straight cut silhouette with calf length, comes with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, very classic and timeless. Nothing trendy, so it will never go out of style. Comes with plain trousers, they are not cropped, full length trousers, slightly flared, super comfortable to wear in summer season. Set comes with this full length gorgeous dupatta. Again, it is foil printed and in same color. It brings in the whole look together beautifully. Styled this classic set with these palmunas earrings, chunky silver bracelet for the footwear clear heels, and because it is slightly occasional wear, I paired it with these potli bag. It is a pure Jardozi work from Bhopal. It looks really classic with ethnic wear. That's it for look number 3. Let's move on to summery vibe again for look number 4. This one is my personal favorite from this haul. Again, nothing fancy here. It is simple printed kurta set, actually hand block printed kurta set with off-white base and this gorgeous pink print all over it. It has simple notched neckline and 3/4 sleeves. Nothing loud, just subtle, simple kurta set. What makes it little special though is this lace trim detailing. It is there on sleeve edges and only on kurta hemline. Made in super soft pure cotton fabric, super comfortable to wear every day. Comes with stylish cropped trousers. They are not very tight, in straight fit and perfect for long hours. Now confession time, because it is off-white set, it is little bit see-through. But if you wear nude undergarments, it is perfectly fine. Especially when it is priced under rupees 1000, worth buying it. I styled it with these simple pearl studs, silver bracelet for the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I took my small brown bag with this look and you can see the complete look. Whether it's office or travel, it is super comfortable. Even if you are staying at home or running errands, you will keep reaching for this set again and again. Let's move on to 3-piece set again. 3-piece kurta set again. But this one is totally different from the earlier one. It is in yellow color, instant mood booster. Like the moment you wear it, you feel brighter. Floral printed again with plain trousers, very clean combo. V neckline, super flattering honestly, and classic 3/4 sleeves. It is a calf length kurta, but there is slight flare to it, which makes it little more softer and more feminine. This embroidery detailing on the neckline really very subtle, but lifts the whole look. And these pleats below the neckline adds movement and little volume to the look. If you wear this set as it is perfect for office wear or staying at home or for running errands. But set comes with this matching dupatta. It has nice printed border along the edges, which makes it feels really coordinated. And if you wear it as a 3-piece set, it is totally different energy. Looks much more elevated. I kept the styling same from the earlier look. Same pearl earrings, bracelet set from Amazon, Must Harbor heels, and again I took this gorgeous Jardozi bag from Bhopal. So you wear it as 2-piece set or 3-piece. Let me know in the comments. And let's move on to next look, which is again a 3-piece set, but totally different vibe. 3-piece set again with Ari work. And trust me, detailing is what pulls you in. Simple round neck with notch, gorgeous front yoke detailing creates an empire waist effect, looks super flattering. If you look closely at the yoke, it has nice detailed multicolored embroidery. That's basically the focal point. Plus, there is another embroidery detailing along the neckline, which frames the yoke also nicely. Then there are these printed tiny buttas scattered across the kurta, creating visual texture. It is an A-line kurta and flare comes from these gathers below the yoke, making it little softer and feminine. Set comes with matching trousers. They are full length trousers and super comfortable to wear, and this dupatta makes the look complete. It also has tiny buttas all over it and border along the edges, which makes it look complete without feeling overdone. Because this dress is made in 100% cotton fabric and it is under 1000 rupees, I included this in this haul, but it is slightly dressier. So I styled it with these jhumkis, a nice pearl bracelet for the footwear, my clear heels, and again I finished it with my Jardozi bag. You can easily wear this dress for family get-togethers or for small celebrations. Let's move on to another 2-piece set. So I'm back with another 2-piece set, but this one feels really soft visually. It has this beige of whitish base with yellow contrast. Really soft and calm, but still cheerful. Silhouette is really clean. Simple calf length kurta with slight flare and flared palazzo. But this contrast yellow print on sleeves, kurta hemline and even on trousers makes it pop. It has round neckline and 3/4 sleeves, nothing complicated. There is this embroidery detail with front button placket and wooden buttons at the front, gives it that handcrafted feel, and this gathers below it makes it look softer and flowy. Style this look with minimal accessories, again gold studs and bracelet, must harbor heels. Finish this look with my new Steve Madden bag. Whether it's office or casual outings, it is one of those no-brainer looks you will keep reaching for again and again. Now let's move on to last look of this haul. Okay, this last one is from brand Royal Export, and honestly I have really good experience with this brand. It is really affordable and fabric quality is consistently good. That's what matters, right? Coming back to this set again, it is a really simple set with off-white base, but detailing is doing all the work here. Simple round neckline, 3/4 sleeves, straight cut kurta, clean silhouette here, but they have given this gorgeous embroidery detailing in double yoke design. Takes the look up a notch. Same detailing is there on sleeve edges and even on trousers too. So whole look feels really coordinated. Now trousers are fully elasticated and comfortable to wear. And set comes with this dupatta. It is really soft and it has subtle sheen on it, and it matches perfectly with this embroidery border. So it pulls in the whole look together beautifully. Again, this is made in pure cotton fabric, so super comfortable and breathable, perfect for summer months. And this dupatta is real highlight here. Whether you wear it or for office or for casual get-togethers, this will work. I kept the styling exactly same from the earlier look. Same gold earrings, bracelet, must harbor heels and Steve Madden bag. And you can see the complete look. That was the haul, guys. I tried to bring really affordable pure cotton kurta sets here. Tell me in the comments if you like this haul and you want to see hauls like this again. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.